Using advertisements is the most straightforward way to monetize a blog, and also the most intuitive when you consider making money from a website in any capacity.
I'm Emily, this is Darlene, and we're here to talk about advertising on your blog.
Without a doubt, Google AdSense is the go-to source for income for most bloggers.
If you're not familiar, Google AdSense is a program run by Google through which website publishers in the Google network of content sites serve text, images, video, or interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site content and audience.
These advertisements are administered, sorted, and maintained by Google. It's a free service that pays you for ad space on your site.
If you're a Websites + Marketing customer, it's super easy to add this to your site. I'll show you how. From the dashboard, choose Edit Website. Click Settings and choose Google AdSense. If you don't have an AdSense account yet, click Sign up for Google AdSense and follow the instructions to set up an account. If you already have an AdSense account, click Help me find my AdSense code and then follow the instructions for how to get and copy your ad code. When you're all done, paste in the code and then sit back and wait. It'll take a day or two for Google to approve your website, but once they do, you'll start seeing ads pop up on your site.
Thanks, Emily. That's great and looks easy to implement. But let's change gears and share some other ways that you can advertise on your blog, starting with doing it yourself.
If you've already got great traffic going to your blog, you might consider selling direct ads on your site. All you need is an Advertise with Us page that shares the details.
Things like how much it costs per month to advertise on your site, where you rank on search engines, or any other traffic stats that would be of interest to potential buyers.
And if you want to save yourself the trouble of selling, there are third-party alternatives you can use to sell ads on your blog, like buy-sell ads or blog ads, to name a couple.
Do your research online before you sign up. Some won't accept low traffic blogs, and more importantly, the amount of money you get paid and in what increments does vary.
Another way to advertise on your blog is to write paid reviews. You can make some good money publishing reviews about the products and services you use and trust.
The best thing about this arrangement is you set a price per review. If your site ranks high and you get a lot of incoming traffic, you can get more money.
These are just a few things you can do to advertise on your blog. There are other things you can try, like text links or cost per click networks. Just pick what works best for you.
And keep in mind that less is more. If you have too many ads on your blog, it can distract readers and become a turnoff. I'm Darlene, this is Emily. We hope you found this helpful, and we'll see you next time.